The police are here. Why are you whispering?
Because something's gonna happen.
When he said that, I'm like, oh, I gotta let him have it now, right? I said, oh my God, Frankie, they found me. What do you mean, Cable?
I gotta go, Frankie. I gotta go take care of your mom for me, okay? I love you.
No! And I saw the officer, I said, pretend you're arresting me. I wanna freak out my kid. No problem. Turn around and put your hands behind your back. I get to the cop car, he throws me in the back seat, right? And slams the door. And I ask him, is it okay if I yell out the window to freak out my kid? You wanna use the microphone? Yeah! And he hands me the microphone and I said,
Frankie, this is the police. We have your father. We're coming back for you in 1 hour.